that? Who's that bird? Oh, yummy. Okay, this is how I'm looking. This is how I look, and the bird hates me. He hates me. He hates this. So he wants that to be my hand, or the white plastic on my head. He's real angry. That's a parrot that's angry because I've got a white thing on my head, and that would be my finger. Yeah, he's putting his foot up. Don't trust that, because that parrot is stalking. Look how horizontal he is. Look how the eyes are pinning. He was tongue flicking a minute ago. Yeah, he's excited. Just a very excited parrot who doesn't like the plastic white bag I put on my head when I dye my hair. And it makes him aggressive. You can't touch him. He doesn't like the baggie. He's crazy. A parrot bite is always the human's fault for not giving space to a bird who is still aggressive. I misread Jake and thought he was calm, and I paid the price. But it was my mistake. In almost 1 year of guardianship, Jake has never bitten me before. I've had recent eye patches for eye surgery that he didn't mind, and many other weird colored shirts that he was fine with. This is Jake aggressive. Jake. Gentle. He wants to bite and kill though. He wants to harm. Yeah. He's real mean. He's a mean boy. You can't let him out because he'll come after you. Yeah. And if you've noticed some redness and pokey white holes in my lip, that's because my parrot Jake bit me. Yes, he did. Well, that's the story. He didn't like, apparently, when I dyed my hair pink. He's like, "Who are you?" And when I went to kiss him and all, he reached out like he wanted to, but his kiss was spicy. 3 stitches spicy, mind you, at the ER an hour later. So yeah, my lip does not look the best right now. It is healing. But we are back on my favorite little trail. It's beautiful out. And it's gonna be a lovely day. It's cool and crisp. Good day for walking. Yeah, so, oh, excuse me. Ugh. What's my status with my sweet little Jake? Adopted Jake, who turned into the devil. We love again. It took a couple days. He back to kissing on me and sitting on me, and everything's fine. He just had to get, you know, his wits about him, about the pink hairdo. So yeah, he's a good boy. I love him a lot. Oh boy. But yeah, he does not like it when I dye my hair, I'll tell you that. You can still do fun no-contact activities while you rebuild trust gradually. Yeah, so we out here. Up on the trees out here looking at the view, real nice over here, having a real good time. Once Jake bowed his head for scritches, I knew the aggression was over. Exercise caution and know your bird. Each one has different signs. Littered with pieces of Brazil nut that looks like dandruff. Somebody missed his mom. And he's working it for treats. Be gentle if you're going to preen on mommy. Yeah. Be gentle. Thank you for grooming me. Thank you. Be gentle. Be extra sweet. Thanks so much for watching today. If you learned a little something, please like and subscribe.